Arun and Ajay started a business jointly by investing rupees 24,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively at the beginning of the year. But after a few months, Arun invested rupees 12,000 more. After a year, the profit was rupees 14030 and Arun received the profit share of rupees 7130. Let us find after how many months does Arun invest money in that business. So therefore, we don't know how many months Arun invested 24,000. So let assume Arun invested 24,000 for X month. So therefore, total investment of Arun total investment of Arun 24,000 for X months. So 24,000 into X plus 12,000 for the 12,000 more after the X months. So 24 plus 12, 36,000 for 12 minus X months. This is X months. Total months in a year is 12. So therefore, if he invested 4 months 24,000, so therefore he invested 36,000 for remaining the year. There should be 12 minus for 6 months. So here we have to find this X. So therefore, we get plus 36 into 12. This should be 432 000 minus X. So this should be 432 minus 12 X. Ajay invested 30,000 for 12 months. So according to the problem, now the total investment, we have to find the total investment. So total investment (432,000) minus 12,000 X plus 3612. So therefore, we get 792,000 X. Total investment should be this one. So therefore, according to the problem, we say that this by this 432,000 minus 12,000 X by 792,000 minus 12,000 X equal to Arun's share is 7130. So therefore this is 7130 by total profit is 14030. We have to do it in this ratio proportion method. So therefore, this is the 3 zeros in here also and here also, and we can take common 12. So therefore 12,000. If we take common 12,000, therefore we get 36 minus X by same here 12,000. We get 66 minus X, and this should be 7130 by 14030. Eliminate those 0 and 0, eliminate those, and after that these two numbers are divisible by 23. So therefore we have to divide by 23. We get here 71, from 713 we get here 31, and we get here from 1403 is 61. So therefore 36 minus x into 61 equal to 66 minus x into 31, cross multiplying these terms. So therefore opening those brackets, 36 into 61 we get 2196 minus 61x. Opening those brackets, 66 into 31 we get 2046 minus 31x. So therefore minus 61x, from here, from right hand side to left hand side, the sign should be changed, minus 31x to 30 plus 31x equal to 2046 minus, and this should be from left hand side to right hand side, the sign is also changed, minus 2196. So therefore minus 30x equal to minus 150. So minus get that, so x equal to 150 by 35. So therefore the question here is, how many months did Arun invest money in that, find after how many months. So the required month, or after 5 months, Arun invested 24,000 plus 12,000, 36,000 rupees. Two friends invested rupees 40,000 and rupees 50,000 respectively to start a business. They made a contract that they would divide 50% of the profit equally among themselves and the remaining profit in the ratio of their capitals. Let us write the share of profit of the first friend if it's rupees 800 less than of the second friend. We don't know the profit, so let total profit be x. So 50% profit is x into 50 by 100 equal to x by 2. So x by 2 rupees, x by 2 divide equally among themselves. So therefore each one get x by 2 division by 2, x by 2 into half, x by 4 rupees. Each one get x by 4 rupees. So therefore remaining profit total profit be x, 50% profit x by 2, so the remaining profit should be x minus x by 2 equal to x by 2 rupees. Rupees x by 2 divide along their investment ratio. So therefore ratio of their investment is 40,000 is to 50,000. Eliminating these 4 zeros from both of these, we get 4 is to 5. So therefore first friend got the remaining profit is x by 2 into 4. His share is 4 by total of this share 4 plus 5 9. So 4x by 18 rupees. Second friend got x by 2 into 5 by 9, 5x by 9, 5x by 18 rupees. So total profit of first friend x by 2 plus 4x by 18, and the second friend x by 2 plus, sorry, this should be x by 4, here this is x by 4, each one got x by 4 plus 5x by 18. So according to the problem, first person, let us write the profit of first person when his share is 800 less than the second person. So second friend got this one and first friend got this one. So second friend first minus first friend equal to 800. So according to the problem, x by 4 plus 5x by 18 minus x by 4 plus 4x by 18 equal to 800. So therefore, opening those brackets, x by 4 plus 5x by 18 minus x by 4 minus 4x by 18 equal to 800. Eliminating these two, 5x LCM is 18, so 5x minus 4x equal to 800. So x equal to 800 into 18 equal to 14400. This is the total profit. So here we have to find the profit of first friend. We have to find the first friend. So therefore first friend got x by 4 plus 4x by 18, and 4 LCM is 36. So this should be 9x plus 8x, 17x by 36. So therefore first friend got (17 by 36) into 14400. 36, this should be 400 into 17, 6800 rupees.